Rise and shine, crypto luminaries. Welcome to the daily dose of blockchain buzz, where the boundary pushing news meets the unapologetic truth. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to dive into the latest updates from the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and beyond. Grab your morning coffee, get comfy, and let's get this blockchain party started. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of government blockchain adoption, bear market boosters, and a whole lot more. In the Philippines, Senator Bam Aquino is making waves with a proposal to put the country's national budget on a blockchain. The aim is to increase transparency and accountability in the government's financial management. With blockchain technology, the government can provide a secure and transparent way of tracking funds, reducing the risk of corruption and mismanagement. This is just one of many efforts to modernize the country's financial systems and promote good governance. Now let's talk Bitcoin. Despite a 12% deviation from its all-time high, the market is showing signs of being oversold, with an oversold STHMVRV metric indicating a potential breakout. If the market bounces back, Bitcoin's price could surge towards $260,000. The possibilities are endless, folks, and the cryptocurrency market is always full of surprises. However, not everyone is thrilled about the rise of blockchain technology. Some are warning that the increasing use of layer 2 solutions is threatening the decentralization of blockchain. With centralized sequencers controlling the inclusion, ordering, and execution of transactions, we risk undermining the trustless nature of cryptocurrency. It's a wake-up call for the crypto community to protect the decentralized nature of blockchain technology. Moving on to some exciting news from the world of crypto companies. You might think that traditional banks are a thing of the past for these businesses, but that's not entirely true. Crypto companies require access to traditional banking services to operate effectively. They need corporate banking accounts to pay employees and manage finances, secure storage for their funds, and quick access to liquidity when needed. It's a crucial aspect that often goes unnoticed, but is essential for the success and stability of these companies. Now let's get to some blockbuster news. In April, a total of $161 million was lost to crypto crimes, with private key exploits, flash loan attacks, and smart contract exploits being common culprits. But what's even more alarming is the rise of supply chain attacks, increased attacks on DeFi platforms, and the growing sophistication of attacks. It's a reminder that the crypto industry needs greater security measures and regulatory oversight to protect users and prevent financial losses. But don't worry, folks. There's some good news too. Capital markets are shifting towards blockchain technology, with tokenization becoming the new operating model. Tokenization is no longer a proof of concept. It's now a widely adopted practice, used by asset managers, banks, and firms handling treasuries, securities, commodities, and intellectual property. Stablecoins are growing, with a circulating value of nearly $250 billion. And tokenized treasuries are on the rise, with $5.6 billion in assets under management AUM. By April 2025, a five-fold increase from the previous year. Blockchain bites. Why did the Ethereum developer break up with his girlfriend? Because she was always trying to gas his feelings. Now back to the news. A recent Silicon Valley Bank report highlights notable shifts in venture capital VC investments in 2025. Key findings include the rise of AI startups, which have scooped up $81.3 billion, 41% of total VC cash, up from 10% in 2021. iGoliaths have taken 40% of the VC dollars, while Web3 companies are expected to drive innovation in the space. It's clear that AI and Web3 investments are on the rise, with AI startups capturing a significant portion of VC funds and Web3 companies poised to shape the future of the industry. Finally, let's talk about the importance of security in the world of cryptocurrency. With the rise of DeFi platforms and institutional investments, the risks of hacks and exploits are increasing. It's essential for the crypto industry to prioritize security with measures such as multi-factor authentication, anti-phishing techniques, and more robust backup protocols. Blockchain Buzz wrap up. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of blockchain, cryptocurrency, and beyond. If you're new to the space, welcome to the party. We're always happy to have you on board. If you're a seasoned pro, keep on keeping on. Stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and stay tuned for more blockchain news and updates. Until next time, stay crypto-tastic. Blockchain Buzz is a daily dose of cryptocurrency news, blockchain updates, and expert insights. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more breaking news, market analysis, and in-depth interviews.